They need to have a good ass.
술 잘 먹는 사람.
By the way, are you single?
I am single.
Hey, she is single, man. That's your type.
He's my brother. What are you saying?
Hey guys, in today's video, I'm gonna ask girls, what do they notice in a guy on the first date? So let's go!
딱 봤을 때 삐를 보죠.
아, feeling이 어떻게 알아요? 그럼 좋은 feeling 있어요?
좀 대화하다 보면은
아, 그럼 대화가 제일 중요하니요?
네.
The way he acts towards me, like, you know, like you'll know if he's a fuckboy or not.
How do you know he's a fuckboy?
Like he touches you and like he's like, oh, let's go back to my place, have a glass of wine.
Please do not touch on
Yeah, do not do that.
술 잘 먹는 사람.
오! 왜요 술 잘 먹는 남자 좋아요?
내가 잘 먹어서.
They need to have a good ass.
Guys, you gotta need to have a good booty too. Why the ass is important as a girl?
It needs to be like chunky and good. Yeah, you can grab it.
But if he makes you pay, it's just like, eh.
아, 키.
진짜요? 만약에 얼굴이 좀 못생겼는데 하지만 키 너무 좋아요.
좋아요. 키가 켜야지.
키거리 남자 여기.
I just look at his vibes in general, like how he acts and how he speaks.
So by the way, are you single?
I am single.
Hey, she is single, man. That's your type.
He's my brother. What are you saying?
챙겨주고 그런 게 보이면은
매너가 보이는.
매너.
하지만 그 만약에 첫 데이트 했는데 제가 조금 이렇게 챙겨주고 싶은데 하지만 뭐가 첫 데이트 할 때 좀 스킨십 하면 여자가 조금 이거 변태 남자도 생길 수 있잖아요. 어떻게 그럼? 내가 챙겨줬는데 괜찮아. 좋아 이렇게. 근데 어떻게 갑자기?
그런 거 안 하지 않아 거의?
Communication. I have to be able to talk to that person and be comfortable, have fun.
Okay, what if a guy is shy and he's not very good at communication, but then he has other things? Would you consider a next or second date?
If a guy is shy, then I can take that step forward and try to talk to them first.
What are the things you notice on the first date?
How they eat.
Why is that so important?
Well, I hate when guys open their mouth when they eat and talk to me. So this is one of the first things I really pay attention to.
Prepare dates.
Oh, I see. Ahead of time, not like like what should we eat now? And
You're
so
right.
lost and
Exactly.
Man, preparation is important. Okay?
Yes.
보조개 예뻤어요.
있어요?
네, 여기 보조개 있어요.
진짜 있는데. 오, 진짜 있어. 내가 가줄게.
Shoes!
Shoes.
Yeah, look at the shoes. If they're good, he's good.
All right. What color would be like the best?
For a guy, brown.
Okay. What do you think about those shoes? Like
No!
Guys, that's a no-no. That's a no-no.
Looks wise, definitely his smile and the eyes. Personality wise, if he's a gentleman or not.
첫 데이트 때.
얼굴.
왜 얼굴 그렇게 중요하게요?
첫 이미지, 비주얼.
아, 그래요?
Well dressed.
Oh. Why do you think dressing is that important? Because he could be a nice guy though.
Like take care of yourself. Yeah.
You don't like smelly guys.
No. Clean fingernails.
Oh.
Yeah.
I never thought of it.
Yeah.
No nails here.
Good hygiene.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video today. I wonder what you notice on your first date in a guy. A handsome face, a sexy look, or is that the personality? So please do write in the comment section below, and please do not forget to like, share, subscribe.
Oh, I rap. My name is Flyboy J.
Can you do a freestyle on the first date? Something? Can you do it right now, like a freestyle?
Oh man.
Try. We got a freestyle. Yo. Okay.
I pray to God one day I got through the struggle. Right now I had to really hustle on the street where nobody cared. You gotta be aware life ain't fair, but I had to push through. These people never really gave a fuck about you, so I said he grind. She gonna grind for me. I don't know why she wanna play with my mind, so I had to really focus on getting the hustle. Next day I started flipping the bricks and getting to a duffel, flexing with muscle. Shout out to everyone. You already know he's awesome. I just met him and he's fucking cool, man.